listening.
What did you ask me to do?
I said come here, and you said no.
Okay, why are you yelling at me like for us?
You want to yell at me? That's how I'm going to yell at you.
I feel like the officer's mocking her.
Come on.
No, I said no!
Oh, great. We got another one that adds noises to the end of her words.
Do not touch me! Do not touch me!
You're going to go in handcuffs, and you're going to go to the ground.
Oh, wait. The officer actually talks like this. I don't know. I can't take him serious like this. So, man, what the hell are you wearing? Or should I perhaps say, what is missing?
No, I'm not joking! I didn't do this crap! No, why are you going to work?
Oh, maybe he's trying to get some money to get you some clothes, ma'am. Stop adding those stupid noises at the end of the words. Sentences. Just on the one hand, we have an officer that talks really strange, and now we have a default NPC character that has some... What the hell's going on in the world? Something changed.
I'm not joking! Oh.
What's so funny, ma'am? A little smirk on your face, officer. What was that all about,
Why are you putting me in handcuffs?
Because you're not listening.
What did you ask me to do?
I said come here, and you said no.
Okay, why are you yelling at me like for us?
You want to yell at me? That's how I'm going to yell at you.
Okay, so apparently the 911 call was the guy in the big truck over here, and he couldn't get away from her somehow. I want to explain that to me? There's plenty of room. Contrary to your belief, your truck ain't that big.
Not nice, is it?
Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me!
Well, now you're going to jail for sure.
Really? I just imagine this officer having a big old grin on his face the whole time he talks.
Why did you? That was completely unnecessary.
I can't breathe.
Oh, really? I can hear you speak, ma'am. What's the matter? You found some new fad? That is so... It's actually a really old fad.
I can't breathe. No, dude.
Sit.
I can't breathe. I swear to God, I can't breathe.
Put your legs
I
in.
can't breathe. No, please. I'm sorry.
Put
Stop.
your legs in.
I can't breathe.
We will get you EMS.
Now, officers, make sure to keep that door slam active. Otherwise, if you open it again, you're gonna let the air out and she can't breathe. It's so dumb.
335 working EMS.
But clearly, the truck is completely blocked there. I don't understand the problem. What was the problem? He couldn't get away? How?
Alright, so what's going on?
So we've been fighting, this has been going on for some time, and we've been trying to work everything out, but it seems like every single day it's an argument and it's a fight, and when I try to leave the situation, she just kind of blocks me in and just doesn't let me go. So I either want to leave just to calm everybody down, and she doesn't, she just does what she does. So I literally just stay in a corner until she calms down. I don't talk, because if I try to talk, she just gets worse.
I hope there's no kids involved. And if that's the case, just leave. She's clearly not worth the effort, man. I mean, that's a bit of a psycho behavior, isn't it? And again, you gotta make sure to get a restraining order, because this one will turn stalker in all likelihood, huh?
Until she finally calms down, and then we can kind of mellow everything out and then continue the day. But it's been like this for some time.
So what happened today?
That is a massage smoke shop.
Today, the same thing. It's like an argument. What I'm doing, which is I'm usually freaking working, and yeah, I'm trying to go to work. I got a guys out there, and I'm supposed to be meeting them, and I'm not able to leave because she comes over here because I didn't pick up the phone after she hung up on me.
So this is her car running. There's no collision that I could tell. It's running, yes. She parked like this because he's trying to leave. Yeah, well, right. I mean, she's preventing him from leaving.
I mean, sure. I mean, now I'm wondering if this man has a driver's license, because that is not blocked in. Like at all.
So
I'm just trying to figure out, like I told her, I'm like, we just gotta leave each other and work with something out.
you guys married?
We've been together for a long 18 years.
That's her car.
That's
alone.
my car, but
It's your. Is it registered to you?
yes.
Okay. Well, that makes it easy. Is this your property?
Yes.
Okay. Will you move it so that you can get the gate
Yeah, I can
closed
get
and parked and
everything. Does she
everything?
have to be arrested though? Like I'm.
Well,
trying
she's
to...
for sure going now.
Oh, she
All
is.
I had to do was try to figure out what's going on, why we're
Yeah,
yelling
and
and
I
screaming.
try to tell her to calm down. She just doesn't seem to want to calm down.
So all I'm trying to do is detain her in handcuffs because she's screaming in your face.
Right.
And she's
Yeah,
pulling
she
away
does
from
this.
me.
I'm used to this. Like,
Right.
Every day.
So then I'm just trying to get her situated in the air conditioning,
Right.
so we can talk to you.
Yeah.
And then
yeah.
that's when she.
Well, I
wanted
really don't want her to go to jail, but if it calms her down.
Right. Come here. Take the breather, man. Take the breather. She can let her be in timeout for a bit. 18 years, huh? This man needs a war medal for this.
Yeah, we're past that.
We're
But
past that. Okay.
I'm sure she was talking to you already. Regardless, I mean, did she know you were trying to call the police?
Yeah. Yeah.
And so
Well,
she
she was trying to rip
prevent
my
you
door
from-
open so we can argue like for another half an hour.
Was she trying to
And I
prevent you
wasn't
from
gonna
calling the
have-
police?
Was she no?
She wasn't.
No,
Okay.
she doesn't. She doesn't want the police called. Basically,
Yeah.
she knows this. She can't. She's got like an anger problem, so she knows that once this happens, it's like completely differently.
Okay.
So
Did she put her hands on you?
I'm not worried about that.
Did she? Yes, no.
To an extent. I
As
just
in
try
what?
to.
As in what?
Well, she tried to get me out of the car. She just kind of bit me a little bit.
I mean, some people pay extra for that. I'm sorry. I don't want to make light of the situation, but holy hell. Get some counseling with I mean, if you still want to be with her, you gotta fix this anger issue nonsense, because maybe the police officers can help you. Get her some anger management classes. Mandatory.
She bit you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because she can't get me out of
So
the
now
truck.
she's gonna go for domestic battery as well.
But yeah, calm down there, Eager Beaver. I mean, at some point, the guy here that got bit has to press charges, right? Doesn't seem like the type. He just sits in the corner and hopes the bloody tornado subsides. Sir, honk the horn twice if you need help.
Well, I mean,
You're not pressing charges. It's the state. Okay, so you guys are together as a couple, right?
right.
So the state presses domestic charges. We have no say in that.
The fuck? Oh, I mean, in a way it makes sense, and another way it doesn't make sense. There's too much government involved. But on the other hand, it also protects this guy because he clearly doesn't want to press charges. But it still needs to be his choice. What the fuck? I mean, that seems to be like a frivolous lawsuit if you don't have the person that is in question, in this case the victim, who doesn't want to press charges. So how does that work? It's gonna get dismissed right out of hand. Seems like unnecessary paperwork if the guy doesn't want to press charges. That's weird.
Okay.
Okay?
Even if I don't want to.
100%. So that's for you to work out with the SAO later, the state attorney's office, but we don't have a choice. There's a mandatory arrest policy in the state of Florida.
Well, mainly when she does this, she hurts herself more than she hurts me.
Right.
To be honest.
Your skin pretty good on the hand.
No, not really. That was just scarred. She just literally bit me here. It didn't.
Yeah.
Fine. Yeah.
All right, I'm going to try to talk to her. You want to try to get a statement from him? Okay.
It's clearly a domestic violence issue. He's being very dismissive about it. She just bit me a little bit. Hey, she bit you.
All right, you good?
Yeah.
My kids, you gotta tell
Oh, for fuck's sake, there are kids involved.
the other kids!
Relax.
Tell me I didn't do anything! I need my kids!
Okay, so they've been involved for over 18 years, or around 18 years, and you are using the new generation's wordy bits after FD. Stop that, right? Lovely. She's not gonna stop that, but, you know, I'm an optimist. Almost as annoying as the bloody Valley Girl noises. Dude, my guy. Can people just stop trying to invent new language? You sound like a fucking moron if you do. Not me, though. I have the best words.
All right, I need you to listen, not say anything, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer
The kids!
for advice before any questions, or to have him or her with you during an. If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one will be appointed to you before
No,
any
I need to
questions
go
if
back
you
with my
wish.
kids, please! I didn't
If
do
you-
it! I
if
did
you-
not hate you!
If you decide to answer
I
questions
did
without
not
a lawyer
hate
present,
you!
the right to answer. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to a lawyer.
Yeah!
Do you understand your rights?
I don't know what I did wrong! I didn't get back to my kids!
Do you understand your rights?
He told you not to freaking put handcuffs on me.
Mom, just, you know, do you realize you are the cause of this entire situation you're finding yourself in? The consequences slap you in the face so hard you don't even know where you are right now. Now that, right there, was special.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
Do you understand your rights? Understand
Why
your
am I?
rights?
No, I don't understand.
Okay, that's-
My kids, please. Like, why am I getting arrested?
Mom, it's why am I getting arrested? It's not why am I getting arrested? What the hell is going on? The last few weeks, this noise has infiltrated the world. I mean, can we stop? Can we stop that? Can we just go back to normal wordy bits?
I already explained this to you. Domestic battery and resisting without violence.
What's gonna happen?
You're gonna go to jail.
Why? Well, like, what's gonna happen? Like, I don't understand. I need my kids.
She's 10-15 domestic battery resisting without violence.
He wants me arrested?
No,
Then why are you arresting me?
because in the state of Florida we have a mandatory arrest. Not to mention you committed a crime when I got here. You weren't listening and pulling away from me when I'm trying to
Because I
detain you.
didn't do nothing wrong.
But I don't know what's going on when I get here. You're yelling at him in the door and not listening to me. I didn't say you did hit me. I said you were resisting without violence.
Did you just... really? Medical personnel? Because she can't breathe?
She's in my car. She's got an abrasion to the shoulder when I took her to the ground.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there's that.
You guys can clean her up and just check her out. She said she was having trouble breathing, but she's calmed down now.
Like, I'm...
Can you scoot out a little bit so he can take a look at you?
I don't need no one to look at me now.
Yep, that's fine. Just sit your butt down, okay?
Oh, the kids!
Stop yelling.
They're arresting me!
Stop yelling.
No!
You're gonna get felony witness tampering too. You want that?
Why the heck would I?
Because you're trying to talk to him and I'm telling you not to.
Why am I not allowed to talk to him? I wasn't even
Because
supposed to get arrested.
He's the
Oh shit, officer. Wait. Let me check the script here. Officer, you didn't read the script. She wrote down, I am not supposed to get arrested after biting my husband and pulling away from an officer not listening to his orders. Ah shit. No, but that's the problem. You gotta let her go. Oh wait, these are just papers with nothing on it.
victim in domestic battery. You bit him, okay? Now you can no longer talk to him.
Why?
You're gonna have a no contact order with him because you're arrested for domestic violence, okay? You need to stop talking to him. How many times can I tell
What do
you?
you mean?
Officer, allow me. You're not allowed to talk with him. Otherwise you're gonna tamper with the witness. Too much, Carl? Never too much, yeah?
Stop talking to
I know,
him.
but you're saying I'm gonna have no contact with him.
You
Why?
cannot have any contact with him.
What does
That's
that
what the
mean?
judge's order is going to be. You are no longer to have contact with him because he's a victim in
So what's
domestic
your name?
violence.
I've tried to leave.
You have any kids together?
We have
2 kids?
2 kids. So I've tried to leave, and then she actually won't leave. Like, I'll leave the house, and then she'll just find a way to get a hold of me again.
Talking to him. How many times can I
Does
say
he
it?
know that?
He's going to, but you need to know it, and I'm telling you. So
I'm
let
not
them
trying to be mean. I
let
just
them
don't
try
understand why
to
it's
let
so-
them.
Ma'am, do you want help from us?
Yeah, getting to the point there. I mean, these guys need to do actual proper work with in another location, not having to baby your... How old are you? And I'm talking about mentally.
I don't know what's happening. We live in the same house. What does it mean? Like, the hair, get out of my face.
Alessandra, can they just clean up your shoulder? Take some deep breaths through your nose and out your mouth, okay?
Yeah, listen.
You know, you still haven't answered my question. What the fuck are you wearing? And why is there all... I mean... Is that like power armor? No, power armor. You know, the armor underwear stuff. Power armor, yeah, that's what that is. You mocking me, ma'am? I mean, I'm nigh indestructible. I bet that power armor of yours is not exactly up to snuff.
Let him clean up your shoulder. Just relax. Let him care for you, okay?
How long is it gonna take me to get out?
You gotta get booked in first.
Okay, but how long does that take?
That depends on how cooperative you are.
So
right
I'm
now
not supposed to go home?
You're not going home right now.
I'm
no.
saying after I get out. What is
Depends what
supposed
the court order says, but generally speaking, no, you're not allowed to go home.
How am I supposed to see my kids? I have nowhere to go.
You can coordinate getting your kids a different way, but you can't have contact with him. Hey, come on.
He has to know! No! He has to know!
So, I'm guessing the local government in Florida finally stepped in, huh? People like this are completely immature brats. They need supervision, so that's what you get. Act like a bunch of babies, you get a nanny state. And as an actual adult, I don't know how I feel about this, but then again, we can't classify people like this as an adult. They're just big and sweaty. You don't put those things away, ma'am? Oh, you can't, because you don't have any clothes on. What the hell is that, what you're wearing?
Enough, stop yelling. You're creating a bigger issue.
No, because I didn't do anything wrong.
Can they get some vitals on you? Because you said you got shortness of breath. Can they get some vitals on you?
My hair.
But you gotta relax and stop yelling, screaming, because if you don't remain calm, your vitals aren't gonna be accurate. Okay?
I don't know if I can. I'm telling you, I don't know if I can be calm. I've never been.
Here's the first thing you need to do. Stop talking.
I'm gonna need you to stand still as possible. No talking, no moving, okay?
Yeah, well, these vitals are completely all over the place. They're completely useless. You guys can go. You really don't have to. I mean, you have to, but you really don't have to. The rules say yes. Common sense says go to a more important place.
I need to get some accurate vital signs.
Not me, the kids!
Alexandra,
Don't leave the kids!
Alexandra, did
You
you not
tell
see
them
me?
what you did to me!
Hey, stop talking.
This isn't fair. I didn't do anything wrong.
You need to calm down. It's gonna be accurate.
You're gonna take me away! You're gonna take them away from me!
Stop yelling.
Officer, are you... No, please don't. Please don't start mimicking her. Or, wait. Okay, let's calm down. I think officer is trying to communicate with her in her own language. Well played, sir. That, or he's mocking her.
You're taking me away!
Stop yelling.
I didn't do anything to you! I didn't do anything!
Stop yelling.
You want me to go to jail without seeing my
You're
kids?
going to jail regardless. That's not changing by you yelling at him, okay? So the faster you accept that,
The kids! He has to be there for
I will let him know about the kids.
I mean, I'm pretty sure he knows about the kids. 18 years and all that jazz, officer.
No, it's...
It's getting pretty
Yes,
soon.
it's getting a blood pressure.
Please!
But if you relax, you get that blood pressure. The more you move.
Oh,
What's your last name, Alessandra?
Dipshittery dispenser. Well, that's not a name, but I think that is a more accurate description of her.
no.
I think it's...
I want my kids! My kids! No! I'm gonna calm down!
I heard something else. She's saying she is gonna calm down. But real body cams guy, he knows what's up. She is not gonna calm down. That is a valid translation instead of a subtitle.
I need this thing off! It's like squeezing my arm! It's like...
Well, no shit, Sherlock. That is the entire point of that. How brain? You know. What the fuck? I just stumbled over my own wordy bit there. I'll be right back.
You won't stay still, so it's gonna take longer to take.
Like, I don't even know what you're doing.
We're getting your vital signs.
That's not gonna go down! I'm going to jail! I'm not gonna see my kids! So, like, you want me to have a freaking heart attack in the freaking car? Like, what are you checking for? I don't understand! I don't need this! I'm not trying to be a problem!
Try harder.
Like, I just don't know why I'm going to jail. I know you said it's because I bit him. But if he didn't want me going to jail, why am I going to jail?
The state of Florida presses charges in domestic battery situations.
How long does that usually take? And I live with him.
Well, to be fair, he survives your presence. I'm just left wondering, if this is your behavior towards your husband, which I'm assuming you're married, how do you treat your kids? If you're this mentally unstable? Because holy hell, you're beyond immature and flippant aggressive. The hell's wrong with you? Put on some clothes. What is he wearing?
I know.
Okay, so
Have
what
a
is...
seat. Slide your feet in. I'll explain everything on the way to jail.
Do I have to be in this?
So when you're in a car, you would say, I'm in a car?
Yes.
I can't go to the hospital, like, in the ambulance.
No.
I don't know if I'm gonna come down and be serious.
The only reason I called them is because you had a cut to your shoulder and because you said you had trouble breathing.
I am, like, but I'm calmer now.
Okay, put your
but I
feet
just
in,
don't
put your
know
shoes
if I... So if I'm telling you I'm having problems in the back, you're gonna get out. You're not gonna let me die.
No, let you die. Slide your feet in, please.
Fucking drama queen.
Can you talk to me then?
I will absolutely tell you everything that's going on. But I need you to remain calm and worry about your breathing. Alright. So you're under arrest for domestic battery and resisting without violence. Enforces a no contact order, which is a pretrial release, right? It's an agreement of your release out of jail is that you're agreeing you're not going to have any contact with him whatsoever. Okay?
That's all fine and dandy, but they're probably married and have kids and live in the same house. How is that gonna work? Are we just adult things out of existence anymore? What the hell is wrong with adulting? Is it not cool anymore? Bunch of immature fuckers.
Direct, indirect, third party. You can't have any contact with him. You can't call somebody to have contact with him. You can't go to the house except for generally there's a one-time pickup.
Does that go away?
After the case is settled. Going on to prevent you trying to tamper with a victim because he's a victim.
A victim unwilling to press charges? This is all really strange. Don't you find this strange, Cow? It's really strange.
So that there's no witness tampering, you're not to have contact with him. So I told him he's going straight home to take care of the kids. Because of the no contact order, that'll likely be put in place as well. He said, okay, even to try to help her out and get things sorted out. I said, yes, the whole point of one of those getting put in place is so that it expedites things and that there's no interference with any kind of the testimony or any of the facts of the case.
So basically, in other words, your adult status has been revoked until further notice. I mean, if you explain it like that, I really like this. It's so dumb. Why can't you just, act normal, act like an adult? 18 years, you got kids, and this is how you do? Really? You gotta reevaluate your life, ma'am.
After the arrest, she was charged with battery by intentional touch or strike and resisting an officer without violence. She was initially held without bond, but later posted a $3,500 surety bond. She ultimately entered a plea of no contest to the charge of resisting an officer without violence, and the judge adjudicated her guilty. As part of the resolution, the prosecutor dropped the battery charge. She was sentenced to 12 months of probation. Additionally, she was ordered to pay $1,322 in court costs, supervision fees, and trust fund assessments.
It seems we're fixing society. Finally. And remember to tickle the bell on all things around. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Adult people requiring babysitters. It finally happened.
You bit him, okay?